Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. 88 Rotors Off-Road here today with another Toyota 4Runner compilation video for your viewing pleasure. Let's kick this one off with this black 5th gen 4Runner with a Bilstein and OME with SPC upper control arm lift setup. We'll throw on some new shoes as well with some 285/70/17 tires. If you guys are regulars, then you probably know what we're about, but for those that don't know who we are a shop out here in the city of South El Monte in Southern California. We do modify both cars and trucks and welcome both wholesale and retail customers. We are also a warehouse and stocking dealer for many major name brand products. If you're looking for a product or want to set up an appointment to get some work done, feel free to call us anytime or send us a message through our contact form. All of our contact information can be found in the description below. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with some RRW RR4-V wheels with some 285/70/17 Falken Wildpeak AT3W tires. We hope that you're enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and our channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Next up, we have another 5th generation black Toyota 4Runner. This one's going with a Fox setup for both front and rear. We're doing the 2.5 remote reservoir setup on this one with some Icon tubular uniball upper control arms. For the wheels and tires on this 4Runner, we did go with the Method MR312s in the 17x8.5 zero offset fitment in a matte black finish. We wrapped them up in a 285/7017 Falken Wildpeak AT3W. Here's another white 5th generation Toyota 4Runner TRD Offroad that we did a 3-inch lift on. We also installed some TRD Pro wheels on here, which are a 17x7 with a +4 offset, and we wrapped them up in a 285/7017 tire. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more, feel free to browse our channel to see more videos of 4Runners if that's what you're into, or we have plenty of other trucks and cars as well. Thank you very much again for checking this out today, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We hope to see you tomorrow on the next daily video.